this is probably the least risky form of entrepreneurship that you'll find.
We are tech entrepreneurs,
We distribute Solidworks in Portugal and Spain.
supported by both Dassault System and Ohmycad. At Ohmycad, in 3 months now, we already have 35 clients, and the goal for 2026 is to reach 120 clients.
We are already profitable at this point, but the goal is to go above and beyond that. A reference especially for this new generation of SolidWorks, where if in Portugal or Spain you hear of 3D experience, SolidWorks, and new generation, you think immediately of Ohmycad. On paper, this is probably the least risky form of entrepreneurship that you'll find, because the software is already developed, the business model has already been proven to work, and you literally just need to apply the recipe that has been proven to work by Ohmycad. This particular venture was a great deal because it did not require necessarily a lot of initial investment.
They want us to succeed as much as we want to succeed.
We're able to outsource a lot of the admin stuff, a lot of the technical support and parts which are, like Leo said, harder to develop. And these things are provided by Ohmycad, allowing us to have really the time to get clients and focusing on growing the business.
People believed in us, whether it is Ohmycad or even Dassault System. Everyone believed it's a journey that would lead to success.